Hi, this is Rubel from Tech Review. Today I am going to show you how to fix Roblox Error Code 403 in Windows 11. To fix this error, press Windows plus R key to open Run dialog box. After opening the Run dialog box, type ncpa.cpl, click on OK. Now find your connected network adapter, and double-click on it. Click on Properties. Now double-click on Internet Protocol version 4, from this pop-up window, select Use the following DNS server address. In the preferred DNS server address, type 8.8.8.8, in the alternative DNS address, type 8.8.4.4, click on OK, OK, and close. Now try to install Roblox from store. If it did not resolve your problem, press Windows plus R key, type %appdata%, click on OK. In the address bar, click on App Data, click on Local. Now find a folder which name is Roblox, and delete it. Now you can try to reinstall the Roblox. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you like this. Please do subscribe to my channel. Also give a like please. Take care.